Ye banks and braes o' bonny Doon, how can ye bloom sae fresh and fair? How can ye chaunt, ye little birds, and I'm sae weary, full o' care? Ye'll break my heart, ye warbling birds that warble on the flowery thorn. Ye mind me o' departed joys, departed never to return.
Major Adams, will you join me in a fling?
Well, thank you, Miss MacGregor. If I didn't have this bad back, I'd sure take you up on that.
Well, if you won't, a MacGregor will. Lead the way, lass.
Major?
Well?
Oh, you better come and have a look at that Indian. Something wrong with him.
I never saw it to fail. Man can't sit down 5 minutes around this outfit.
MacGregor, tired already?
Oh, I'm afraid it's got the best of me. I must have left the best of me in Scotland, too.
Do you care to dance, Jason?
Oh, well, I
Come on. There's always a first time.
Well...
Oh, now. Oh, easy, easy, boy, easy. Blackie, Bessie, easy now. Whoa, whoa, that's Blackie. Whoa, oh, down, down, boy, down. Whoa, whoa, now, whoa, whoa, easy. Blackie, easy.
Claymore, you having trouble with the stock?
It's those blame foreigners and their freak music.
Well, why don't you check with Major Adams?
The devil with Adams. Take him.
Hey, wait a minute, Claymore. Come here. You better take it easy.
I've had enough trouble with those people.
Whoa, son. Whoa, Blackie. Whoa.
What's trouble you, boy?
Spirit. Spirit. Bad spirit. It's them bagpipes.
You. Tell me. Truth. I throw you. Evil spirit. Now, what about pass?
I always speak truth. Medicine bad. In pass, no attack.
You lie. Brothers in pass. Wagons go through. You attack, huh?
No. No lie. Cry of spirits, evil. Tell truth.
Kyle, a lie. Evil spirit, come.
No. No.
Major, that Claymore's gone back to the Scotch camp. He claims their music's got the stock all riled up.
Oh? Well, Charlie, you stay here with this Indian boy. And don't take your eye off him, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Bill, you go on back with the stock.
Yes, sir.
Now I know what they mean when they say the stars are close enough to touch.
What's it like in Scotland, Annie?
I don't know, really. After America, mostly it's tiny. You feel you could hold all of it right in your hand.
What makes a family like you just...
Not a family, Jason. Clan.
All right, then, clan. How come you just picked up and made tracks?
Well, the answer to that's easy. You've done the same thing.
Oh, well, with me, it's different.
Oh, not so different, Jason. We're looking for the same things, you know. Fresh beginning, without any of the old grudges or feuds. And none of the prejudices either.
I think I can understand that. I hope you find it, Annie. All of you. I think I know how much it means to you.
Thank you, Jason. I hope you find what you're looking for, too.
I think I already have.
Don't you blow that thing once more, Scotchman.
Just a minute there.
I don't aim to stand for any more of that noise.
And what may your objections to our pipes be?
Our horses and our cattle, that's what. Well, they're half out of their wits with fright.
Then I'm thinking you'd better move your horses.
Well, you're thinking wrong, old man. You foreigners are the ones that better move. Nobody wants you tagging along with this train nohow.
That's enough.
You'll be sorry for that. Hey, laddie, give him one for the MacGregors. Come on, Combo. That's...
Whenever you swing on me, Johnny Reb, you better make the first one count. Now get back here. What's this all about?
This lout came charging in here, insulting the whole clan MacGregor. I struck at him, I did.
Is that true, Claymore?
It's that squealing. It's got our horses bugged up to where they aren't fit for pulling.
The sound of our pipes has never disturbed our beasts.
Well, maybe they're used to it, MacGregor. I'm sorry, but I'll have to ask you to keep your pipes quiet for the rest of the night.